Hey there, we're back at it, man. Got a off-road impound here. This gentleman in front of me, he owns this property and he's got some kind of vehicle that he wants removed off his property. Go see if I can get some details out of him and find out what this is all about.
I just dumped that thing.
Somebody dumped it here?
Yeah.
Wow. That's crazy. Have you called the PD on it?
Huh?
Have you called the police on it yet?
They said to call towing service.
Yeah. Did they say it was stolen?
They said no, it hadn't been marked as
It
stolen.
hadn't been picked up. Okay. Well, we'll get it off here. That's crazy, Eddie. That's crazy. We'll get it loaded. Anyway, I don't know if you could hear earlier in the video, but this gentleman claims somebody abandoned this vehicle on his property, and they jacked the vehicle up, took the wheels off of it, and left it here. He claims that the police said it wasn't stolen, but that don't mean anything. It could be stolen from another state, driven here and not reported yet. But this piece of property this man owns, this property's worth several $1 million. It's in a decent area, and I'm sure there's a lot of builders that would love to have this piece of property. This gentleman maybe try to sell this property too. Wouldn't be surprised if he was. Anyway, we're gonna roll out, man. I'm gonna flip this one around when I get to a different location and pull it from the front, because right now I'm pulling the drive axle in neutral. You can't drive very far like that. You gotta flip them around if you get on the interstate. So I'm gonna flip it around just a minute. Does your car, which one's yours?
The white car. This is my ex's car, and the battery is dead on the car.
So it don't run?
No, sir.
Well, if it ran, I could do a payout on it.
So how much would that be?
It's 175.
175.
Yeah.
So what you mean payout? What is it?
Well, if it's not operable, I can't pay it out on property if it don't run. It's 175
to get it.
Yeah.
Out?
To get it out, yes, sir. Okay. And it's 20. I think it's 25 a day. You know, if you're going to get the car back, if it's worth getting back, try to make it quick where you don't lose out and the bill don't run up.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Sorry about that. Have a good one. Boy, he popped up quick with the truck running. I didn't hear him say anything. He was at my door in a split second, and I mean, granted, he wasn't going to do anything, but if he'd have reached up and put his hands on me, I'd have been forced to do something about it. Yeah.
Okay. I got 100 on me right now.
Yeah.
So, how long do y'all charge the car? Cause he want this, his car. He bought. He want the car. So I got 100 on me right now. So could you take it, just drop it somewhere? If I
well, no, it's 100. The impound fee, it's 175. It's 175. It'd be more than 100 to well, you have to charge the impound fee to tow it out.
So how much he gonna need?
Oh, it's 175. I mean, listen, today. if you get to the yard, we can jump it off. We can jump the car off where it'll run.
It's just 175.
175. Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I tell you this too, anybody that knows the streets, you can't judge nobody by how they are. You can't judge them about what they're gonna do. There's some dangerous people out here that'll really surprise you. You gotta be real careful doing this. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish strapping it down and write it up, man. Get to the yard. How you doing? Yeah, I just. Yeah, which one? There was another resident. She was telling me thanks for getting these junk cars out of here, and she said finally we'll have a little bit of parking. Anyway, that's why we do this. So we're gonna roll on out, man. Take them to the yard. The tow truck are here, man. We got a vehicle, man. This vehicle's got to be towed. This manager's gonna have a inspection in a day or two. She said this vehicle's got to go. And anyway, I'm gonna load it up, man. See what kind of controversy comes out of it. Pretty sure everybody's home. These property managers, they run into all kind of problems like this, man. That's why they tow these cars. If you run a property, man, you got to run that property like you mean it. You got to be good at your job, or somebody else will do the same job you're doing now, and you won't have a job. That's why it's important that they keep these properties up. Anyway, I'm back at the office up here with this car, and that right there is a fake. It's got no number on it. That's not a real Georgia temp tag. It's got Georgia Road on there, but it's a fake. It's a fake tag. Anyway, it's getting towed out. It's got a flat tire and a fake tag, man. That's the way it goes, man. That's what we do. This is the guy that upset the manager at his property, and she had an inspection yesterday, and she wanted that car pulled off the property because I had a fake tag, and it had a flat tire. Anyway, they came and got it from the lot. They're fixing to pull off in it right now.